Bo ongha Bruce nongnai rauno brom rimo panda 2026 je class 10 by 12 or 60% above minor rauni bo ye jaga ongha bokafa campus hall east bokafa santi bazar organized by BSco South Muri Regional Committee. Date ongha 5/7/2026 abo ongha Sunday. Inaugurated on Brom Nang Ravindra Riang retired IAS Vice President BSco, special guest Brom Nang Keneram Riang MDC 26 Birchanda Kelasi, Brom Nang Yukma Krishna Riang Chairperson Bokafa Panchayat Samiti, Brom Nang Bimal Kumar Riang Chairperson Bokafa VC, Brom Nang Yukma Professor Sanjita Riang Principal of Women College Agartala, Brom Nang Lal Bahadur Riang GS BSco. Secretary for Educational Advancement BSco, Brom Nang Disa Riang Advisor BSco, Brom Nang Yukma Lili Riang Secretary for Women Development BSco, Brom Nang Yukma Dr. Sebika Riang Assistant Professor Netaji Subhas Mahividyalaya Udaipur, Brom Nang Yukma Dr. Pragati Riang MO Ayurvedic District Hospital Santi Bazar, Brom Nang Yukma ER Juma Riang Junior Engineer PWD Santi Bazar, Bokafa Ashram English Medium High Secondary School, Brom Nang David Chan Riang President BSco South Muri Regional Committee.
Bokas kita, bokas hati bokas high secondary school ni, bumi kalian absent bo silam kelas school ni, rehab dia, luku holy cross ni, absent.
Oh, macam mana soalnya tu? Agak orang panggil benda. Mian cina mami.
High secondary school ni, bumi kalian tu oxygen kelas school ni, tak kita boleh so tak sisa nama kan? Bisi apa paisa na atas.
Rasa naik kan?
Abu Bakar